Hello students, this is 12th standard chemistry, preparation of phenol. So last video we discussed some of the electrophilic substitution of phenol. This is the preparation of phenol. So phenol is nothing but, if the benzene ring is connected with the OH, is nothing but the phenol. So first process is the Dow's process. Here the chlorobenzene react with the NaOH. First HCl part is removed. That means ONa is attached to the benzene ring. It's a sodium phenoxide, 633 Kelvin, 300 bar pressure. After that, when it reacts with the HCl, NaCl is removed. It is converted to phenol. Next, from benzene sulfuric acid. This is benzene sulfuric acid. When it reacts with the sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium phenoxide. After that, when it reacts with the HCl, same thing, NaCl is removed, we are getting phenol. Next, from aniline. So this reaction is nothing but diazotization reaction that we will discuss in the last lesson, the first step. Okay, the first step is also called as a diazotization. So the catalyst for this reaction is a sodium nitrate and HCl. When these two chemicals react, we are getting nitrous acid, that is HNO2. It's a nitrous acid. When aniline react with the nitrous acid, 273 to 278 Kelvin, we are getting benzene diazonium chloride. This is called as a diazonium chloride. When you are doing hydrolysis, here OH, here H. So the benzene is connected with the OH, is nothing but the phenol, and N2 is separated and HCl is formed. So the last question is very important: how the benzene or how the phenol is obtained from benzene or propene. So first reaction, benzene react with the propene in the presence of H3PO4 at 523 Kelvin. It is also nothing but the Fuller-Crafts reaction. So this carbon is going to connect with this carbon. So this hydrogen is attached with this carbon atom. So we are getting cumene. This is called as a cumene. See, benzene ring, this carbon and this carbon attached. So CH, இங்க ஒரு hydrogen இருக்கும், that is shifted to here. The double bond is converted to single bond, CH3. When it react with O2, 5% aqueous solution of sodium carbonate, OO, that is between this carbon and this hydrogen, 2 oxygen will come. Cumene hydroperoxide is formed. When it react with the sulfuric acid, this bond will attach here and this bond shifted over here. So we are getting phenol and ketone. This question is very important question. So prepare phenol from cumene. Next, some of the chemical properties of the phenol. So how the phenol react with the zinc. When it react with the zinc, it remove that O alone, zinc oxide, balanced phenol is formed. So when it react with the ammonia, so phenol, when it react with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, H2O is removed, we are getting aniline. Okay, the same thing when it react with the phenol, react with acetyl chloride and benzoyl chloride. This reaction is called as a Schotten-Bowman reaction. This reaction is known as a Schotten-Bowman reaction. Simply remove Cl and Cl with the H. So O is going to connect with the C double bond O, CH3. Don't forget, this carbon does not attach with this oxygen. This carbon double bond O, other than the oxygen would attach up. So oxygen, carbon double bond O, CH3. So oxygen, carbon double bond O, CH3. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே carbon double bond O, C6H5. These two reactions are called Schotten-Bowman reaction. So when it react with the NaOH, again H2O is removed, we are getting sodium phenoxide. When it react with the methyl iodide, NaI is removed, we are getting anisole. It is nothing but the ether. This reaction is Williamson ether synthesis. When you are doing oxidation, acidified potassium dichromate and concentrated sulfuric acid, we are getting quinone as a product. So when you are doing catalytic hydrogenation, so we are getting this type of product without ring, because benzene ring we are having phenol with 3 double bond. add one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen. So you are getting addition of hydrogen will takes place in the Madri product. So these are the sum of the chemical properties of phenol. Up to this, the phenol part is over. Okay.